To create a horizontal legend, I'm going to create a new worksheet called horizontal. I'll bring sales type into the columns because this is going to be our legend category. For a vertical legend, I would bring this into the rows instead of the columns. I'll also bring sales type into the marks and change it from detail to color. To increase the spacing, just drag down and to the right. I also don't like squares, so I'm just going to go ahead and change this to a circle. To increase the size, use the size slider in the marks. And I'm going to hide the header for the sales type. And then I'll right-click Format, and I'm going to get rid of the row banding. That way we're left with just the circles. On a new worksheet, I'll call it Horizontal 2. I'm going to bring just the sales type into the columns. And I'll hide the field label but leave the header so we can see the different types of sales types. While making the ABC small typically works when it's a vertical chart, it doesn't work as well with horizontal. So my workaround is to bring a measure, any measure, into the marks and change it from detail to text. Then right-click Format, and under Fields, make sure you choose the same measure. And I'll change the font of it to be the same color as the background. For the sales type field, I'm going to increase the size and I'm going to center them. I'll also remove the row dividers so we're left with just the sales types. On the dashboard, bring both of these worksheets in and hide their titles. Then you can play around with the positioning until you get it how you want it to be. I went a little bit too big on the size, so I'm going to decrease the size a bit. I also want the legend to be linked to the bar chart so that when I click on a category like in-store, it only shows in-store sales on the bar chart. So I'm going to go to the dashboard tab at the top and hit Actions. Then I'll add an action and choose Filter. For the source sheet, I only want the horizontal and horizontal 2 to be checked off. And for the target sheet, I'm going to choose the chart for link. For the settings, I want to run the action on selecting it, and I want to show all values when the selection is cleared. For the selected fields, I'll choose sales type to be the link between these two. Now I can click on the in-store circle and it will filter the bar chart for only in-store sales. I can also click on the text for in-store to filter the bar chart. If you want to get rid of this blue highlighting, I have another video for that.